Today's lesson is about the preposition in. This lesson is great for elementary or A1 learners. My name is Caitlin. I'm your teacher here at Learn English on the Internet. Let's go. So let's talk about in. Just 2 letters. Such a small word. It must be simple, right? Wrong. In is called a preposition and it has so many uses. Today, we're going to look at 5 of those uses. The first use of the word in is for location. In can be used to answer the question, where? For example, where is the book? The book is in my bag. Where is the girl? She is in her bedroom. Where do you live? I live in New York City. The second use of the word in is for time. But be careful. We can't use the word in for exact times. We don't say, I will see you in 2 o'clock. No. But we can use in for months, years, parts of the day, or specific time periods. For example, I will see you in the morning. He was born in 1973. We'll be finished in 2 hours. Use number 3 of the word in is for states, situations, or conditions. For example, he is in trouble because he was bad. Look at them, they are in love. Oh, she's smiling. I think she's in a good mood today. Use number 4 of the word in is for clothing. In certain situations, we can use the word in to talk about what a person is wearing. For example, she looked so beautiful in her wedding dress. He arrived in a gorgeous black suit. Use number 5 of the word in is for transportation, but not all transportation. For example, I came in the car with them. They're in the taxi right now. Okay, there are more uses of the word in. I know it's crazy, it's a lot for such a small word, but today we're gonna stop right there. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer. Don't forget you can find the full blog post about the word in linked in the description below. You can also book a lesson with me. You'll find that link down there too. And of course, you can also download a worksheet to go with this video. Link is down there too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to learn more English on the internet. Thank you so much for being here and I'll see you next time.